Well, moving on, in today's installment of our Amazing Home series, we visit a great location with incredible value, and this floor plan is perfect for a large family.
Located in Wentzville, Hannah Ridge Estates is a McBride Homes community that offers value, privacy, and convenience.
Hannah Ridge Estates is really a top-notch location. It's kind of in a quiet, tucked-away area in Wentzville. It's located off Peine Road in between Highway 61 and Wentzville Parkway. So you still get all the conveniences, I-70 right around the corner, Highway 40.
With lots of trees, common ground, and large home sites, the price is hard to beat for a home with this amount of space.
These homes, very affordable. I mean, this is great price, great location, amazing value. Homes in this community start in the 220s and go up from there probably to the low 400s.
If space is what your family is looking for, the Sequoia floor plan offers just that.
It definitely has a wide open floor plan from your kitchen to your breakfast room and into your great room, but still has the formal living room and dining room out front. So plenty of space to entertain and plenty of space for your family.
Speaking of entertaining, this open kitchen is the perfect place to host family and friends.
I love this island.
I know, me too. So nice big island for you to sit at in the morning, have some breakfast, kids do homework. What's great about McBride too is we also offer a square island that can go in this kitchen. So again, really being able to personalize your dream home when you build from scratch with McBride.
And upstairs, the master bedroom does not disappoint.
Wait until you see the master bedroom in this place. It has the optional sitting room, which is a huge space in there. So you could have an office if you want, just a little sitting area, reading nook, but yet the master closets are still massive. So tons of storage space, and the master bath is to die for.
McBride Homes has been around for 73 years and has more than 40 communities.
So we're the largest home builder in the state of Missouri. We're actually 3 times larger than the second builder here in St. Louis. We really spend a lot of time working on trends, innovative floor plans, really knowing what our customer wants.
What customers want, they can get at the Design Studio in Chesterfield Valley.
So you can walk in and every included feature in that home is perfect for you and your family. So if you just want laminate countertops or carpeting in all the bedrooms, we have great options for you. But if you want to invest a little bit more in your home, we can offer and help you personalize your dream home as well with tons of options at our Design Studio.
If you want to live in this community, you have to move fast.
So Hannah Ridge Estate is actually getting close to the closeout phase, which means we have limited opportunities remaining. But next door, we still have West Haven, which just grand opened last weekend actually. We sold 5 homes in the first weekend, so unbelievable. So if you can't find something you want at Hannah Ridge, West Haven next door is from the 180s, so great value there as well.
No matter what community you choose, McBride Homes wants to make your dream home a reality.
You can find McBride Homes on Facebook. You can also visit McBrideHomes.com or give them a call at 636-537-2000.